Hey guys, today an episode from under the car. Whoever has engine covers knows the problem with those little screws. These here. If you don't have them, and even if you do, if somebody overturned these and the threads won't hold anymore, it's a misery trying to keep the covers back under the car. And the covers keep the critters out. They keep the engine and pretty cool. They keep the airflow going where it's supposed to go. Some models came with it, some do not. Here's a quick one of how to fix the small, I would call them grommets, but they're not. They're nutserts, if you will, where you clip, that you need to clip into the body. And then you need the right size, just the right size, genuine screws in order for the covers to hold. Here they are. These are the little nutserts that you need to get from a parts supply, and the correct size covers with the big washers. You need to pry the old ones out of the body. Here's one it already did, and then you just literally click these back in. They need a little bit convincing. Let's see what we got here. Of course. Pretty difficult to put these in the right spot. Let's just see if I can push this in. Come on. There we go. There you go. Now you're ready to put the covers back on. What they do, I'll show you. The screw, there we go, goes in the middle here, right? And then it wedges itself between these two pieces of sheet metal here, and then there you go. Come on, need focus. There we go. There you can see it better. They wedge this outward, which then holds these in place better, and your covers hold finally without you having to mess around. It's a misery to use other screws. Good luck. Give the channel a like. See you next time.